Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today the topic of my video is Schefflera plant, also called umbrella plant. Broadly speaking, they come in two varieties: Schefflera actinophylla and Schefflera arboricola. And actinophylla variety are bigger trees and arboricola variety are dwarf umbrella trees. They come in two types of plants, variegated and plain. My variety is variegated, and varieties can tolerate more sunlight than the plain varieties. Otherwise both are the same, and they are easy to grow, hardy evergreen shrub type plants, and they are recommended air purifiers and can remove toxins from atmosphere like benzene, formaldehyde and toluene, and toxins of cigarettes also they can remove from the atmosphere, and they are recommended air purifiers. And this plant is a very beautiful plant for bonsai lovers and can be created into beautiful bonsai. So favorite of bonsai lovers and favorite of bonsai makers, this plant can be made a bonsai, and beautiful bonsais can be made out of it. And this plant has 7 to 9 leaflets in a single leaf, and so compound leaves it has. Compound leaves. And talking about the soil, it doesn't need any special soil. It can grow very well in poor soil, and it can grow very well in without fertilizer. So it doesn't need much watering, and over watering can make its leaf brown, and the leaves can fall and become this yellow and fall. And so overwatering should be avoided, and it needs less water, less fertilizer, and sometimes pruning is needed for overgrown plants or to keep it in a shape. Otherwise this plant doesn't need much care. A handful of vermicompost or a handful of cow dung manure can be helpful in 2 or 3 months. And this plant becomes leggy, so it can be pruned when it becomes leggy, and it can tolerate low light also, but becomes leggy in low light. And it can be propagated by air layering or cuttings, and roots can also develop in water. So in water also you can keep the cutting to develop roots. So this plant is a easy going and low maintenance house plant and air purifier at the same time. So everyone should grow this plant in their houses, and it doesn't need much care. And this plant can be sometimes poisonous to pets, so pets should not just keep away from pests. Not much toxic, but some toxins are there in the leaves, and this plant is a little toxic. So this plant is a beautiful plant, and it is native to native to Taiwan. So and Australia, Hainan, and many varieties are there, many species are there.